channel Bloom Skills. At times, we feel situation is not favorable for us. It is we who determines the day or the time which we came across. So I heard from my teacher friends saying that we take classes using smartphones. We don't have laptop in our home. So what is the alternative to prepare an effective presentation? So I thought that I should do something for them. I wanted to show how you can make an effective presentation using your Android phones. So through Play Store, I downloaded the PowerPoint app. So now I'm getting into it. We have so many other apps to prepare the templates or to prepare the video. PowerPoint app, click on this plus tab. You can select, when you click on the plus tab, it means that you're going to create a template, a new template. So select any template whichever you like. Click on the text box which is there on the template. You write whatever you wanted to write. You can write welcome class, or you wanted to write any other thing you can do. You can, yeah, now it can, you can see class. I can write 10 chemistry. Yes, so this is my first template. I have my first template now. If I wanted to add a new template, I can go here. You can see just the page will be like this. You have to click here on the scrolling button here. You click here new slide, next slide appears. So you can write any other thing, whatever you want, you can write in the second slide as well. I write my topic covalent bond, and I'm writing here sharing of electrons. So if say I wanted to increase my font size, I need to copy the text. You can change the font color as well if you want. You can change the font color as well. You can bold, italic, underline. You can change the font size. Yes, I feel that this color is not visible, so I'm just changing this into black. Yeah, now you can see I don't want the bullets, so I removed that. Now you can see how my text box, this is my first slide, this is my second slide. If I wanted to add another slide, I have to click here. You can go down, select a new slide, you write whatever you want. If you want to change the layout of the same, you can change the layout like this. Whichever you want, you can change. So whatever the options you have it in your laptop, you will be having it in the app you download in your phone. So it is as simple as that to create a template using your phone very effectively. See, you can add anything, any table you wanted to add, you can add. Say if I wanted to delete this, if I don't want a table option, I can undo it. So that's all. So it's very easy, and even you can insert any slide, table, pictures, video, audio, shapes, text box, smart art. Even you can draw your pen, highlighter, laser select, draw with mouse or touch. You can do design with your PowerPoint, you can do transitions. Say I'll just show you how I want this. So now my PowerPoint is ready. Even I can just apply to all. I wanted to do some animations, I can do entrance effect. See, I can do effect option properties all at once. Many options are available as laptop here. Anything you can do with respective to the PowerPoint app. It is as simple as such as you do it in your laptop. So like this, after you making your presentation ready, you wanted to draw something, you can do it. Now I wanted to save this slideshow you wanted to see. You can see now my presentation is ready. You can save this, or you can share it with your friends, or you can add it to your notes page. You can do whatever the thing you want. If I wanted to share, you can see, you can share it using a link, or you can share it a full document, share the current slide, anything you want, you can do it. So this is a very easy process to make a presentation. So I hope you understand. So now I just clicked on it, that's all. My presentation is ready. You can see I have 3 slides. So now I can share it using this. So it's very easy. Whatever the presentation you wanted to do, you can download the app according to your convenient level, and you can work on it. In my tomorrow video, I will show you how to make a video using the templates you created. Any feedbacks you like to share for my channel, or you wanted me to focus on that, free to mail me. I have given my mail ID in the description box. Like my videos, share my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.